Nerves.
Let's do this. Lego Wars final.
3, 2, 1. Begin.
You're getting
Minute left.
Slide is exactly 50-50.
It's not for me. I'm staged them. 30 seconds left.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh! Bloody good fight.
To be fair,
Incredible.
to be fair, I had aggro winning judges.
You did very well at that one.
I had
John.
you winning damage. I had him winning control. I had him winning aggression.
You were both equal on aggression for me. You were both initiating loads of attacks.
I think Wubba was more aggressive to its own detriment.
Mm.
Fuck! Second place, Gemini Lego Wars. You did it.
Well, David, you did it.
David always does it. It's David.
Serious.
No, this is
His
the-
robots.
This is actually the first time I've won the series.
Yeah, to be fair, I've driven a win every time.
Yeah.
Oh well.